Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. It's Katrina, just bringing you another sock concept. This is our Rice Krispie Treat sock set. And what I put in here is, of course, a pair of the Rice Krispie Crew socks, as well as the Rainbow Rice Krispie Treat. I think this set has turned out really nice, and I've topped it with this colorful bow just to pull some of those colors out and make them pop a little bit. I think that the Rice Krispie Treat concept is really cute, so please tell me what you think in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.